Ever pondered grilling a big bull in the midst of a serene forest? Imagine the enticing aroma of sizzling meat wafting through the crisp, fresh air. The thought alone is enough to make your mouth water, isn't it? Outdoor grilling is a cherished ritual for many. There's something truly special about the unique, smoky flavor that you can only get from grilling meat in the great outdoors. It's a taste that's hard to replicate in any kitchen. Now picture all of this with a big bull. Yes, a big bull. A feast that would make any carnivore's heart skip a beat. But it's not just about the taste. It's also about sourcing your bull responsibly. For our Muslim friends who follow halal dietary laws, it's important to ensure that the bull is sourced from a halal-certified provider. That way, you can savor every bite knowing it's not only delicious, but also respectful of your beliefs. But how do you go about grilling a big bull? Let's delve into that. First things first, preparing the bull. The journey to a perfectly grilled bull begins with a respectful and clean preparation process, in line with Islamic principles. The bull is slaughtered in a halal manner, a process that emphasizes compassion, cleanliness, and respect for the life given. The swift incision to the jugular vein ensures minimal suffering to the animal and allows for a complete drainage of blood, a key factor in halal meat preparation. Once the bull has been properly slaughtered, we move on to butchering the meat. This is a meticulous process, as we divide the bull into manageable pieces, taking care to remove any harmful elements like bacteria or parasites. It's not just about getting the meat ready for the grill, but also about maintaining the sanctity of the process and the respect for the animal that has been sacrificed. The bull is now ready for marination, the secret behind a mouth-watering grill. Now the marination, where the real magic begins. This is where we infuse our bull meat with a symphony of flavors that will tantalize your taste buds. Imagine a blend of spices and herbs, all halal-friendly of course, burrowing deep into the meat, creating a melody of taste and aroma. Picture this, a marinade boasting the warmth of cinnamon, the heat of black pepper, the tang of lemon juice, the sweetness of honey, and the earthiness of garlic and ginger. Each ingredient, playing its part, adds depth and complexity to the flavor profile. And let's not forget the aromatic herbs like rosemary and thyme, imparting their unique notes to our big bull. Remember, marination is not a quick process. This flavorful symphony needs time to perform its concert inside the meat. So, let your bull rest overnight, allowing the marinade to seep into every fiber. With our bull marinated and flavors soaked in, it's time to start the fire. Fire up the grill, it's time to cook our marinated bull. Now, the beauty of grilling in the forest is that it's an adventure, a dance with nature. The heat of the flames, the sizzle of the meat, the aroma wafting through the trees. It's all part of the experience. Managing the heat is crucial. You want a steady medium heat. Too high and you risk charring the exterior while the inside remains raw. Too low and you lose that beautiful sear. Next, consider the flip. 1, maybe 2 flips are enough. You want to give the meat time to develop those gorgeous grill marks and soak up the smoky flavor. Checking for doneness can be tricky. A good rule of thumb is to press the meat. If it springs back quickly, it's likely done. And there you have it, a perfectly grilled bull, halal, healthy and packed with flavor, right in the heart of the forest.